Hi, welcome back. This is Janice. If you're new here, hi. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is for June 2020, and if you want to see what I received in my June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Beauty subscription box, just keep watching. For those who are not subscribed and you watch this video all the way through and you like it, and hey, subscribe to her and give her a chance, I'd really appreciate it. Also, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when my next video is up, because you know YouTube land's huge and I get lost. You know, it's just the law of the land. Also, really hope you like this video. And I know you don't know right now, so just push all the way through. I'll hurry up and get to the point here. And like this video at that end. I appreciate that. And also comment, what do you think? It makes my day when you guys comment and just say hi. Alright. This is how the inside of the box looks when I open it. And there's the goodies, and they have a theme this month. They do every month, and this month it's Make Waves. Quite fitting for summer, don't you think? However, I think our state park is opening up this week, the 21st. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Anyway, there's a beach there, so if you don't have a private beach, they're not open yet in Michigan. So I'm hoping the 21st they are. And here is the bag they have. So that's nice and fitting for the beach. This lady's laying out on a towel, getting some rays. And it has a little tassel here, it's really cute. And then the inside is a yellow satin. It's a nice size for throwing in your bag and put a couple of makeup items or skincare items or sunscreen or whatever you decide to put in there. It could be anything. It can be pens, pencils, mitts, etc., etc. Oh, hand sanitizer, the minis, and little wipes. The list goes on and on. Okay, let's start opening up. Let's start showing you what I got. First thing I'm pulling out is by Tula. It's a probiotic skincare. And this is a sunscreen. And it is 30 SPF. It's UVA and UVB protection. It protects you from the sun and also from blue light. And on the card, they haven't been telling us the prices or explaining the items. They want you to go to their website, which is quite informative, and it tells you about the product. So I'm going to briefly switch over here, move my table. I got too far away. Oh yeah, one day I'll get my setup the way I want it and quit. I deconstruct it all the time. I don't know why I do that. I'm just silly. Who knows? Okay, let's go to Tula. Tula's a nice brand. I enjoy that brand. It says their leader is skincare. And Tula combines powerful probiotics and with skin superfoods to give you the healthy, balanced, and glowing skin. It is a daily sunscreen. It's the most important step in your skincare routine, which we all are aware that. At least I hope we are. I am. I forget to use it sometimes. I don't usually go outside, but you still should use it. I know my husband uses it all the time. He's had skin cancer several times. It's just the basal cell. Still, that can be quite damaging to your skin. But that's how important it is. It also protects us from that blue light. They say that helps age up it helps the aging of the skin. I didn't know that. That's what they say. Oh yeah, it also inflammation, causes skin inflammation. Wow, that's new. But anyway, that is this product is supposed to help you with that. Let me take it out here real quick. I love the packaging. It's yellow with that pretty sky blue lettering. And here is the tube. And oh, my hands are dry. I have had my hands in water a lot last few days. It's kind of a light yellow cream, but you blend it out and it's of course transparent. There's no smell, which I know a lot of you like, no smell, and I don't care either way. I surely don't want it to be real overbearing, but I don't mind a little smell, but it's okay that it doesn't have smell. Yeah, no smell. Feels nice. It's a sunscreen, so I'll try it out. I'm gonna be working outside here tomorrow, and I definitely should wear some because we're starting to get some nice, beautiful sunny days. I hope it's nice and sunny where you're at. We're finally getting a little warmer weather. It was real hot there for a while, and then we got a cold front. But I don't mind those cold fronts. It's a relief. I do not like the hot weather. I am a northern gal. Next, I'm pulling out, it's an Origin eye cream, and it's fresh herb with, I don't know, can't see it. It's by Nafisi, which is N-A-F, oh, it's by Nafisi, I can't say that. Instead of a P in front, which would be Pacific, it's Nafisic, Nafisi. Wow, why do they name these things so complicated? My mouth, my tongue just can't wrap around that. Anyway, that's who it's from. And let's go back to the screen here and briefly tell you a little bit about that while I'm opening it up. Of course, it's an eye cream. I have many eye creams. I am not going to open up the package. It's just a white tube by this picture. I have so many that I'm working on. I'll never get to this. So I'm going to see if one of my daughters could use it. I'm sure she'd love it. She loves skincare. So she's coming to visit me next weekend, and I'll just pass it along to her. She'll love it. What? This, I'm gonna move this so I can having you look at my side view. It's a little better. Okay. This weighs at 1.1 ounce, and it is a full size, and the suggested retail price is $30. And like always, I always forget to say this. So by the second item, oh yeah, what's the first item? The first item, let's backtrack a little bit. That weighs at 50 mils, and the retail price for that is $36. So we got a $36 item and $30. Okay. So this box, oh by the way, this box cost me $25, and I did pay for it. They have 3 different beauty subscriptions. Ipsy does. They have a smaller bag, a middle, and a larger. And this one is 5 full-size products, so I really enjoy them. Usually you get a couple of skincare and a couple makeup items, so it's usually pretty balanced on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Alrighty, next thing is by Ciate London, and it's called Marble Metals. This is really pretty. And this weighs 4 grams, and it retails for $24. It's sort of a pinkish beige. Here's a jar, by the way. little lid inside to hold the product in or keep it fresh. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it's both. And then we got a really pretty metallic shimmer here. Really pretty. I'm excited to try this on my eyes. Okay, that's by Ciate London. And they are a beauty company from England, in case you didn't know that. I have quite a few products from them through my subscription boxes, and I think I've enjoyed them all. I especially love their eyeliner. They have a wing stamp on one side and then the felt tip for the liner, and it's nice. Our next item is by House Laboratories, and that is a product that is sold on Amazon, and it's Lady Gaga's brand. And this is a lip gloss. It's a really pretty color. Okay. It's kind of a pinkish nude color, and I think that would look nice on most anybody. I know I like it. And this is a 0.17 ounce, and it retails for $18. So the doe foot is rather unique. And let's see here. Don't mind the scratches on my hands. I'm a dog groomer, and those doggies tear me up. That's really pretty. I have tried this before, and it's very, very comfortable. It's not sticky. I like this. One more item. Laura Geller, this was my pick. We do get to choose one item every month, and they give us a few to choose from, and I chose this. And this is a face palette. I haven't used Laura Geller for quite a few years now, but before when I used it, I always liked her products. And here is, it's a little palette, so that's nice to pop in your purse or your bag. So it's nice and handy. We've got 4 eyeshadows here. We have a blush and a highlighter. So let's see what this is. The gloss that is. You know what it is. Yeah. It is weighing in at 8.2 grams total. And the retail price is $14. That's quite reasonable. Wow. Yeah, I'd look at that again. That's really reasonable. Okay. So, we have a face palette by Laura Geller. We have a lip gloss by House Laboratories. We have by Ciate Marbled Metals. I stuck it back in the box already. It's okay. And eye cream and a sunscreen. So this is a nice box. This is really nice. Quite happy with it. So that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have an Ipsy Glam Bag coming in the mail soon. And when I receive that, I will record that video and show you what I got in that one. I don't get the ultimate. Ipsy Glam Bag is a smaller, it's 5 sample size, trial size, sometimes a full size, which costs $12. And then the ultimate is monthly. It's $50, and you get, I believe, 8 products full size and 4 sample or trial size. It's a little steep for my pocketbook, so I don't get that, and I really don't need all those products, so I don't get that. But it's nice that they do offer it. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe, hit that like, I'd appreciate that, and that notification bell, and comment. Alright everyone, you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.